Unit 3, we learn about 3 different C. The one that we know is middle C. When it's go higher on the right side is treble C. And then when it's on your bass clef side, then it's a bass C. So we have left, middle, right. C's rock, left hand is middle C. Right hand is treble C. And you use indicated fingering. Start from left hand. Ready, set, go. C twice, skip down, G, C, tap. And then C twice, skip down, A, G, C, tap. Now left hand C, C, move to bass C.